Growing up in these mountains has deeply shaped who I am today. I have learned to face my fears, be patient, and most of all, to respect and appreciate the natural world and my place within it. If I'm going to put my body and mind through tough situations, I need to know that I can rely on my equipment to perform well while I'm out there. The goal is that nothing should get in the way of how I flow and move through a landscape. I like to take it all in, let it wash over me. The snow as it crunches under my feet. The smell of the old-growth forest after it rains. The sound of crashing waves. Today, the standard of equipment has evolved so much that when we step outside and into the unknown, we climb higher, carve harder, and dive deeper without ever giving second thought to the reliability of what we bring with us. My success in the mountains is ultimately determined by my own physical and mental strength, and I choose equipment that can support me through that journey. I go for gear that is skillfully crafted with materials that are friendlier to the planet. But it doesn't really matter how eco-friendly your equipment is if it falls apart after one season. So I choose gear that's durable, that I can repair and keep going for years to come. And if I look after my gear, it'll look after me. And I like to think the same goes for a relationship with the natural world. Take my pants, for example. I've had them for well over a decade, and every patch represents an adventure I've been on. I'll keep them going for as long as I can, and who knows, maybe I'll pass them on to my kids one day. I make these decisions with future generations in mind. I believe, through collective willpower, we can shape a better future. And when my equipment is skillfully crafted and designed to last, I know that when I walk through the woods, head out beyond the break, or go deep into the mountains, I can focus simply on being in this moment.